Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to jump in here. I just wanted to go over a trade idea recap that I put out. I post all these ideas and go over them live on Voice in the Black Box Stocks Discord, and then I post them to my Substack. I try and be pickier with what I put out to that, and I give like a lot more in-depth analysis than I do on Twitter, and I give too much free away on Twitter as it is. But I just want to go over this, give some of my thought process to what I saw on the chart, what I saw in the flow that made me look at it, and ultimately, hindsight, what happened. So on Wednesday of last week on FOMC, we had, sorry, Grizz says hello. We had some weeklies come in on DELL, the 134s, while it was spot like 131, 132. So I pulled up a chart here, and we'll go here and kind of go over it. So we have this trend line that's been very well respected since that past earnings gap up. We were at support there. We had tested it. We had held. We had this volume profile node, this point of control that we were consolidating over that was clearly a big pivot to our breakout here last time, and we were consolidating if we came down to a smaller time frame in what would be considered a falling wedge into this long-term trend support. So we're consolidating here off this volume launch pad. We have also another confluence area of support, this anchored VWAP from the earnings candle that put us in this range, the huge gap up from under 100, and we held this range the entire time. So to me, that was an important candle, tons of volume there. So we're consolidating around this huge area of support and resistance. We are in technically a bullish reversal pattern, a falling wedge, and we're starting to see bullish options flow come through. Weeklies aren't my favorite, but caught my eye that they were going out of the money here, and we were compressed so tightly. This was Wednesday. You can see we didn't do too much. We had some spikes up, but Thursday started to get some movement. You could call that like a failed breakout, and ultimately we retested again and started to get going on Friday. What gave me a little bit more conviction in this Friday was that we had a big out of the money opener out to October in the 170 strike while we're in the mid 130s. And then the rest is history from there. We broke out Monday, kind of a gap and go. Pretty big gap up there. And then we got the continuation today, and we came up to, we've hit both these extensions out of this consolidation here. So I like this when options flow lines up with what I'm looking at on a chart. We had a very strong AI, data center name that had gotten beat up from earnings, was consolidating. It looked constructive. And then we start to see options flow come in to give us some kind of hint of where it may go out of this consolidation. So that was my thought process behind it. Obviously, this worked out, pretty well. Not everything does, but very nice breakout once you got through this area here. And this is an hourly, and if you threw up an 8 EMA, it held, pretty much the entire time. So pretty easy trend there to hold through. I do like referencing those for trends. But yeah, that's what I saw, what happened. Hopefully this helps. I'll try and do more recaps like this if you enjoy them. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.